So far, we have explored fundamental concepts such as the CIA triad and the domains of cybersecurity. However, in the real world, organizations cannot protect everything at the same time or with unlimited resources. This is where one of the most important concepts in professional security appears: risk management. Modern cybersecurity is not about eliminating all attacks. That is impossible. Security is about managing risk intelligently. In cybersecurity, risk appears when three elements combine: a threat, a vulnerability, and a potential impact. For example, an attacker attempts to access a system. A vulnerability exists in the server. If the attacker succeeds, sensitive data may be stolen. That situation creates risk for the organization. Companies operate with limited resources, limited time, limited budget, limited staff. They cannot protect everything equally. Instead, they analyze which risks are the most dangerous and prioritize the protection of the most important assets. That is risk management. To understand risk, we first need to understand assets. An asset is anything that has value for an organization. Examples include customer data, intellectual property, computer systems, network infrastructure, company reputation. Protecting these assets is one of the main goals of cybersecurity. A threat is anything that can cause harm to those assets. Threats may include external attackers, malware, human error, software failures, malicious insiders. Understanding threats helps organizations anticipate incidents. A vulnerability is a weakness in a system. It may be outdated software, a weak password, a misconfiguration, or a design flaw. Attackers exploit these weaknesses to gain access. Impact represents the damage that occurs if an attack succeeds. This damage may include financial loss, operational disruption, reputation damage, legal penalties. Organizations analyze not only the probability of an attack, but also its consequences. Once risk is identified, there are four common responses: avoid the risk, mitigate the risk, transfer the risk, accept the risk. Not all risks can be eliminated, but they can be managed. Imagine a company storing customer financial data. The risk may be that an attacker steals that information. The company may implement encryption, use multi-factor authentication, monitor system access, and create backups. These controls reduce risk. In summary, risk management is a structured way of deciding where to focus security efforts. It involves identifying valuable assets, understanding threats, detecting vulnerabilities, and evaluating potential impact. Organizations do not aim to eliminate all risks. They aim to reduce risks to an acceptable level. This approach is what makes cybersecurity practical in the real world. Understanding risk management is essential for any cybersecurity professional. Because in the end, security is not only about technology, it is about making intelligent decisions to protect what truly matters. In the next video, we will continue exploring the fundamentals of cybersecurity. Understand, defend, grow.